Okay, this video is called My No EMF Bed, and I'm also going to talk a little bit about a Faraday tent. Okay, so in order to understand what I'm doing and what's going on, we got to see these pictures first. So basically, this is a dance hall, and you can see the mirrors all along the wall. So my idea was to reflect EMF, just to take the same mirrors, put them all around the walls, but have them facing outwards, so they would reflect EMF away from the room. Okay, then here's a mirror above a bed, and this person wants to see what's going on in the bed. My idea was just the opposite. Flip the mirror upside down and have it reflect away from the bed. I also put mirrors on the floor beneath the bed to reflect EMF away from the bed. Okay, so circumferential. And then there's also mirrors around the bed, all facing away from it. Okay, this is an example of a Faraday tent designed to keep EMF, electromagnetic fields, outside of the bed. So the bed's in the center here. This is the EMF tent around it, and it can be suspended from the ceiling. Okay, so these concepts will enable you to understand the picture I'm about to show you. The picture I'm about to show you is something you've probably never seen before in your life. I've never seen a picture of anything like this on the internet, but I think from what you just seen now, it'll make sense. Okay, so this is what I decided to do for my bed. These brown rectangular things are all mirrors. So these are mirrors facing away from the bed, actually on the floor of the room just above the bed. Okay, these little things down here, you can barely see them. These are the mirrors on the floor reflecting away from the bed. This is the back bed posts. This is the wall. Mirrors surround the outside of the wall, all reflecting away from the bed. This right here is a Faraday tent suspended from the ceiling over the bed. This would be the back bed post, the front bed post, and then there's, like I said, circumferential mirrors around the bed. So that's what I did. I did this about 10 years ago because I could see that this EMF stuff was only going to get worse with regard to, smart meters and then smart devices in the house and all this other nonsense. And the cell phones, the increasing frequency of the cell phones, the upgrades in the cell phones from 1G all the way on up. So anyways, that's how it's done. So circumferential mirrors all pointing away from the bed and a Faraday tent over the bed. So, and that includes on the floor and on the ceiling. So I thought you might find that interesting. And the whole goal of it is to lower EMF because basically you can't control what happens in the daytime, and we're all exposed to a lot of stuff. But you can control making your nighttime sleeping quarters a sanctuary away from it. Also, I remove all electronics from the room, have it real dark. I like it a little warm because if it's a little warm, when you're warmer, you don't make as much urine, so you don't have to wake up the void so much. LED lights and fluorescent lights are bad. They're more blue light, like the sky blue, your melatonin of your pineal glands based on that. So the best lights are incandescents, low wattage bulbs like 15 watts in the areas you have to go at night. It takes a couple hours to ramp up your melatonin, so all that is good. Good to exercise in the daytime. Good to be exposed to some sunlight if possible during the daytime. Good to avoid stressful things at night. All these things help you to sleep better, Making the two-back beast helps you to sleep better. So you work that out for yourself. Anyways, I hope you find that helpful.